down here though.
Yeah, first one.
Oh, that's right here. You're alive.
Scared the shit out of me.
No, he's alive.
No, no. Matt, move up, Matt, move up. Matt, to your left, to your left.
You're all dead.
Oh, who shot me in the ass?
How far down is it?
Yeah, they're coming up the hallway too.
Are they coming up the hall?
They were. I don't know if they still are.
No, we're good.
Okay, so I got the
There's
other
one
one
on
that's
the
coming
other
up.
side though, down towards the end. He's going over there for a little minute. I got you.
Hang on.
Okay.
Oh shit!
Wow!
That went better in my head. This time I'm doing it better. Oi. Don't shoot me! Don't shoot me! I'm retrieving stuff. Ugh. Ow! Woo! I got it from both ends.
That's all welts on the arm. Got
Ooh.
4 of them, and the last one was my homie, and he's dirty. He fucking nailed it.
Wow! Whoa! Right in the mask. Oh! Oi!
Cover me, I'm coming over to you. That douchebag doesn't.
Oh, shit. Damn goggles.
You just want to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, two more out, push it. Go ahead, go ahead. You watch straight. I'll just see something.
shit.
Oh, hit! Fuck! I got some in the hall.
Ah, shit! Ow! Whoa! Right in the hand.
I didn't see your bands.
Safety kills don't work. If you want to get it, you shoot.
Oh shit.
Literally, he was like, he thought I was gonna call, and I'm like, I don't take safety kills. You want me? You shoot me.
Wait, what did he do?
He came up and like I saw him, and he like thought I was gonna take it. Then I waited for him to walk by me, and he walked right up next to you, and then I just turned around and one shot at him. Oh, because that's happened to me so many times. I'm sick of it. I'm like, at this point, just shoot me.